Here we go. We're going to change the heater hose adapter, they call it. This is a 2000 Chevy Silverado 1500 with a 5.3 liter engine. So I bought these connectors called disconnect connectors, but they didn't work that well. So I ended up sawing the connector off. So you want to saw 2 slits in each side of that heater core adapter, and then use the pliers to remove it. It comes off pretty quick. And then if you have anything caught inside the pipe, it's so brittle, just take some channel locks and squeeze it, and it should just break up. And make sure you don't get it down inside the hose, and then just tap it out to get the rest of it out, or use a screwdriver to kind of work its way out. But don't let it fall down into the pipe. So you just tap it and it falls right out. Now you want to take that heater adapter and put it onto your heater hose before you connect it to the heater core in the back. It just makes it easier to get this clamp right there on, as you can see. And then once I get the clamp in place, all I have to do is push that connector until it clicks in and it's tight. And now that it's tight, you can, you're gonna want to start the car and make sure you don't have any leaks. The part number I used was from Napa Auto Parts, and it's part number 730-5631. It's for a 2000 Chevy Silverado, and this works on a 2000 to 2009 Chevy Silverado. It's all the same. So just make sure you don't have any leaks. Start it up, make sure it gets warm, that the radiator heats up so the temperature on the engine's warm. And make sure you don't have any leaks, and you should be good to go. And I recommend, if you're replacing one, replace the other one. This one had one replaced already early on, so I only replaced the one side. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.